Let's build a modified box plot for the data below. So it's going to be almost the exact same thing as a box plot, except our bars are not going to extend, or potentially not going to extend all the way to the minimum and to the maximum. Right? It's going to extend by a distance of 1.5 times the interquartile range. And then anything outside of that we'll consider significantly high or significantly low, and we'll mark that outlier with an asterisk. So let's do this. We have ordered data here, and let's first get the 5-number summary. The minimum easily observable at 5. The maximum is 60. Let's find the first quartile. So that's me looking for 25%. How many values do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many values out of the 17 do I need to count to get 25%? Solving this for y, we get 4.25. So first value, second, third, fourth, 0.25 is right there, and I can grab the 33rd value. Sorry, the value of 33. Let's find the second quartile. 50% tells me that I need to count 8.5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5, and 9th. So the 9th value I can take, that's 39. Q3, the 75th percentile. To find the 75th percentile, we need to count 12.75 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.75, and 49. So 49 gives the 75th percentile, or the third quartile. Let's go over here and construct a box. So our minimum is at 5. Q1 is at 33. Not too far away from that is 39. Q3, the right edge of our box, not that far away either at 43. Oh, nope, 49. That's 10 units away. So that box is a little bit wider. And maximum at 60. Oh, that's just 10 units as well. So about there. So really, it's this first edge that's pretty long. Now, this is just a regular box plot. If I want to make this a modified box plot, I'm going to take my interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1, and that is going to give me a distance of 16. I'm then going to take 1.5 times that interquartile range, and 1.5 times 16 gives you 24. And I'm going to move that distance away from the edges of my box. So if I take Q3, 49, and I add 24 to it, I get 73. So that's me telling myself I'm going to extend this bar all the way until 73 if I have data that goes that far. but I don't. My maximum is at 60, so I extend the bar all the way to my maximum. Now let's go to the left from our box. We'll take Q1 and go to the left or subtract 1.5 times the interquartile range 24. That gives us 9. So here we actually do have significantly low values. We should only extend this bar until 9. And anything smaller than that is going to be considered significantly low. So it turns out that we have two values smaller than 9, 5 and 7. So let's represent both of those outliers with asterisks. So this right here is a modified box plot.